Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I'm so excited because we got in our shirts. They look like they're showing up the right color on the video. They are a teal, blue teal, very, very pretty. And this is our logo right here. And that, of course, you knew I'd have to have a butterfly. They are Gildan heavy cotton. And this one is an extra large. They are kind of true to size, the best I can tell. My daughter, the one that's in the photo, her and her husband, they put them on and they were basically true to size, but they're really heavy weight. They I buy these Gildan shirts all the time. That's what most all of my shirts are made out of. And I wash them and dry them with no problem. Now, I don't have this on there, but this is screen printing, so you shouldn't have any problem with that coming off. But if you'd want, I would probably, if I get very many more of these in my stash, which now I've got quite a few, but if I get very many more of these in my stash, I'll probably just wash them in cold water and then hang them up and let them dry that way. But I really don't think that it's going to hurt them either way. Then on the back, we've got, not going to worry about it, one of my sayings, you know that. But I am just excited that we've got these shirts in. The guy that done these for us, he does a lot of shirts for a lot of schools. And he is very, very good at what he does. I absolutely love them. I checked every one as I was folding and putting away, and they all look wonderful. The screen printing is so good. I love it, and I am in love with this color. So if you want one, now we've got in our first shipment of these, and then the next shipment we're going to change the wording on the back. So the next shipment won't be the same as this. It'll be the same on the front, but the wording on the back will be different. But if you want one of these, you need to go grab it now, because I think we got in 15 of each size, something like that. Now, we did get in from large up through 3X. I didn't get any mediums in this particular one because, truthfully, most everybody that I know everywhere wears at least a large or up. So we didn't get any mediums, but in the next shipment, we'll probably get in a few mediums. I won't get in many, but just a few because, like I said, most all of us are big women. We like to wear our shirt, and I like to wear my shirts a little loose anyway and a little big because sometimes I wear leggings with them, and these would look really pretty with some white leggings. So that is our shirts. We have those in. I'll link those below. And we got in the Tim Holtz paper pads, and let me show you these. These are the paper stash. Let me clip this on this one. These came in today. These are 8x8. Okay. So, yeah, 8x8. They're really pretty. And remember, a lot of his paper pads and things are going to be going away. From what I hear. I don't know about the 8x8, but I know the 12x12. So, if you want any of these, you better grab them. And we got more of the memorandum in, too. But it's such a good quality paper, and I love these clocks. I'll be cutting some of those out and using them. And the bingo cards. And look at these. Old people. Look at that. This is not a new collection, but, we've had it in before, a long time ago. But I just grabbed some before they're all gone. Because right now people are buying up anything that they think is going to be discontinued because there are so many manufacturers right now that are just not putting out very much. And there's a lot of companies that are going out of business that were producing a lot of different paper pads and things, and they're not doing that anymore. So when we find something that is really going to be popular, we grab it because I'm afraid it's just not going to be there in the long run. Look at these, the numbers. I love that too. And these come out of the paper pad very easy, and you use all the way to the top of it. And of course, I love that page. So I'll show you these real quick. I just wanted to jump on and show you this and our shirts. Let you know that the shirts were there. We've already had some people that have been buying them, We put them up last night, and there's already been some people buying them, and thank you so much. Love this. I just love it. This is going to look so good with our journals. Look at that. You can cut out all of these things. It's just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Hallelujah. That's where I want to go. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Now I love that to death. Oh my goodness. Loving it. Okay. So nice. I love it. Look at that. Looks like snake skin. Ooh, I don't like snakes. That looks like basket weave. And look at that, an old letter. Isn't that pretty? There's another letter with the Eiffel Tower in the back. Or just an old invoice. Another old invoice. Look at the old card. And you can see how easy they come out of the pad, so you don't have any of that residue left. Okay, so that, see how easy they come out? Good thing that one was mine, isn't it? So that again is the Tim Holtz paper stash, and I will link this below. We also got in some of these, and these are not necessarily made for what I will use them for, but there's two different things that this could be really good for. I'm going to go ahead and open one, so sorry about the crinkling for anybody who doesn't like the crinkling. Let me see. Well, it looks like I might have to cut it. Thought it might have a little. These are silicone. These little tips are silicone, so they're really good to press down when you put your hot glue or even your regular glue down and you want to not get that glue on your fingers. If you put down lace, really good to do that with. Or you can also use these to, if you use your PVA glue and you want to, spread it out on your page and you don't want to use a brush because the PVA glue would peel right off of here, you can use this as a brush as well. Okay. And they come in two different sizes. And then this one is a little triangle-like cut. So if you wanted to get in some little nooks and crannies with that, you could. So love these. I've had these before, but it's been a while. These are from Plaid Folk Art. Silicone spreaders is what they're called. I'll put a link to those below. And let's see, we got in something else. Okay, we got in the Salvage Patina. And that's basically the color right there. Salvage Patina. Really pretty. The paper pads, I think the spray sold out as quick as we put it up. But we do have the paper pads. The ink pads we still have. But I think the spray sold out just as soon as we put it up. So, and we have more of that on order. So grab that if you need it. From Picket Fence, we got in some of these blender brushes. And I know a lot of you have watched me use mine. I like them when you're wanting to just put a little ink in certain areas and you just want to rub it around and make it look a little bit vintage. And I don't have any ink on here, but let's see if I have any there. So if you just wanted to rub it around and make it look a little vintage, these are real good to do that with. So that is the brushes. I've had my ink pad open for a while. I need to close that. So we have some of those, and then we got in more of the bulb clips, and these are in, let's see, 3 different colors, I do believe. Well, it looks like there's 3 different colors in there. I don't know if you can tell that or not, but to me it looks like 3 different colors. It really doesn't say on here. But I know when I opened my pack, it had different colors in it. It's the brass, and then you have a little bit of silver, and then there's kind of like a dark, it's not brown, it's almost a dark black brown color. We did get in more of the guillotine trimmers. like I use and love. We got in more of these today, so make sure that you get one of those. I've had a lot of people ask over the weekend, are you not going to get any more of those? You don't have any more? We do. We got in more now, and we've got more coming, I think, next week. So that is what I wanted to show you. I'm not sure that I'm showing you everything new because I don't put all of this in anymore. Melina does, and she does our ordering and all of that. So, but I just grabbed some things that I knew were new and some things that I knew you guys had asked about before. So if you want any of these, make sure that you go over and check them out. And I would love for you to have one of our shirts. And when we get to traveling again and doing some classes in different areas and some meet and greets, I'd love for you to be able to wear your shirt when you come to class. That would be wonderful. All right, guys, we will talk to you later. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your support. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.